Good evening, YouTube. I want to welcome you all to my channel. Dollars Make Sense. On this channel, you guys are going to get nothing more, nothing less than videos that teach you how to make money online with apps or with websites or however you want to make money online. Okay. So today we're going to get into two websites. They're both going to be survey sites, and I had one of my subscribers say they were having trouble with Survey Junkie, so I'm going to look into that for you today if you're watching this video. So the first survey site we're going to talk about is Branded Surveys, and let's get into the video. And I have cashed out at least 5 or 6 times on this site, you guys, and I have showed you guys payment proof of that. So I recently had someone sign up. I had someone who signed up 6 days ago, so whoever you are, thank you for signing up. Branded Surveys is a really good survey site. Okay, so we have my dashboard, we have my points. This basically shows you all your points. Right now I have 133 points, which is equivalent to $1.33. Once this goes down to 0, you'll be able to cash out. And you cash out to PayPal, you can send the money over to your bank. And these are and you get disqualification points up to 5 points. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys over here to the different levels. Okay, right now I'm the different memberships. I am a bronze member. Okay, and the more active you are on this site, the higher you go. When you first start, where it says approved points in the middle, it's gonna say pending points, and that basically means your points are gonna be going to a pending status, and once they're approved, they will go into your approved balance. Okay, so but don't let that stop you from staying on the site and being active on it. Okay, so we have partner surveys here, and I'm going to tell you guys the one that I use frequently that actually works. I do offer to. Okay, hold on. I do offer Toro, and the reason I do offer Toro is because I can do the coupons. If they still have that, let me show you. Okay, so right here, you guys, if you log on to your branded surveys through the app, on your app, you download this game right here, and you reach the 4th village, you get 459 points. This game is amazing, you guys. You should really consider playing Coin Master. It's a really good app. Okay. Now, if you have iOS, you can install this. Open the app, install, and register, and it has an Android as well. You have another app here. You can install and open it. If it's for the iPhone, there's a lot of stuff on here you guys can do. See right here, you have the coupons where you get 2.4 points, and you click 25 coupons. I have a video on my channel showing you guys how to do the coupons. Okay, there's tons of things you can do on here, but I just mainly do the coupons. So let's go back, and I'm going to take you guys to the payout option here. So you can get paid either through PayPal, you can transfer to your bank, you can do branded pay, and you can do a donation, and there's tons of things down here that you can look through. But there's one thing you guys will be able to do. Not only can you earn disqualification points up to 5 points, but you can do a daily poll which gets you 5 points a day. So you come down here every day, you'll get 5 points for this. Every day, 5 points daily for answering that question, and I'll come up here and I'll refresh this. Click on dashboard. See, I got 5 points added to my approved points. So now I have 138 points, which is equivalent to $1.38. So once this thing loads up all the way to here, you'll be able to cash out. Okay, and 1,000 points is $10. Okay, you guys can go higher. You can even do 2,000 points, which will give you $20. Okay. It's totally up to you how you want to do it, but I highly recommend branded surveys. I'm going to leave the referral link below, so you guys can sign up. So let's see. Let me do that now. Go ahead. That's freaking cool how I had a lot of people signing up. But I'm going to leave the referral link below, so if you guys want to sign up, you can. And that was branded surveys. So the next site we're going to talk about is Survey Junkie, okay? And I've cashed out 7 times on this site so far. Okay, right now I'm trying to get to another $10 cash out. So I'm at 664 points, and that's equivalent to $6.64. And just so you know, I like Survey Junkie better than branded surveys. The reason being is because there's no pending status. You get disqualification points up to 3 points. Okay, and you will qualify for some of the surveys if you're consistent on here, but you will qualify for. If you don't, you'll get disqualification points up to 3 cents. Once you get to 1,000 points, you cash out $10. And I've made payment proofs on this multiple times, so you guys know that I'm not lying. So like I said, if you're new to this channel, you might want to think about subscribing so you guys can go through my videos and see exactly how you can do Survey Junkie. Okay? So I have $6.64 added right now. I will have $10 before next week. Okay? I will have $10 pretty soon. So I'm going to go here really quick. I wanted to see if they have a frequently asked questions page. Let's see, technical issues. Hmm. So you have to have access to the internet. Okay. So honestly, I don't really have an answer to. My subscriber asked me a question saying he didn't have a VPN or something. But I believe you might want to think about um, I mean, if it was for branded surveys, you might want to think about, you know, contacting support and asking them your question. They will be able to answer it, a lot more in detail for you. So I apologize, but I won't be able to respond to that. You might want to just email support and ask them because I'm pretty sure they'll have a better, more in detailed answer for you. But anyways, like I said, Survey Junkie is a really, really great platform. Really great platform for you guys to start off if you're going to be taking surveys. Because it doesn't take that long to earn $10 on this site. It really doesn't. It took me a while only because I wasn't consistent with it. I wasn't doing it every day, but now I'm doing it every day. So Survey Junkie is a site you guys really want to think about joining. Um, there's no referral link for Survey Junkie. I mean, I don't have a referral link for it, but you just go to surveyjunkie.com and sign up and go ahead and complete your profile, and you'll be all set. There are going to be some questions, some profile questions you're going to answer, and it's going to give you points for doing that. So just make sure you do all that first, and then by the time you're done doing all that, you'll probably have accumulated 100 points, which is $1 that'll get you started on your way. So like I said, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And if you guys want to make even bigger money, like higher commissions, $100 or more, check out my new YouTube channel, which I will leave below. Take care.